This is why you need to let that sneeze out. Trust me, your nose will thank you. Okay, picture this. You're in a meeting, you feel that tingle, and you try to hold back your sneeze. Bad move. Sneezes can shoot out at 100 miles per hour. Holding it in is like trying to stop a speeding train with a paperclip. Your body wants to expel those tiny invaders, and if you trap that force, it can lead to some serious issues, like ruptured eardrums, throat injuries, or even popped blood vessels in your eyes. Yikes, right? Plus, you're not doing your sinuses any favors. Instead of clearing out germs, you might just send them deeper into your nasal passages. Fun fact, the world record for the longest sneezing fit is 976 days. Imagine if she tried to hold all those in. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, let it out. Just aim for your elbow and say bless you to yourself. Your health, and everyone around you will be much better off.